A few chug-a-lugs from Fernando. Now the Red River Hogs do live just beside the Parrot house, so Fernando has picked up on the sounds of a piggy. Fernando, what does a piggy say? A few little snorts from him. Now a very favorite domestic pet is the dog, and Fernando has learned on the menacing growl of a dog. Fernando, how's a doggy sound? Okay, well maybe not so menacing, but he does try his best. Now Amazons are very musical birds by nature. Fernando doesn't quite like to whistle and sing, but before he whistles and sings, he usually likes to warm up with a dance. Fernando, will you dance for us? A few little head moves from him. Now he also does quite like to whistle. He's our very own Mozart at Parrot Paradise, liking to make up a new tune at each and every show, so we'll see what he has for us today. A lovely Fernando original. Now, unfortunately, that is copyrighted, in case you were wondering. Now, he also has a very favorite song that he likes to sing, but we have to admit that he learns from us, and we're honest enough to admit we're terribly off key ourselves, so do use your imagination as he sings his favorite song. Okay, well, he's really not that bad, I promise. He probably just needs to clear his throat. A few coughs should do it. What do you say, Fernando? A very patriotic bird, Fernando is.
What a cutie!
So patriotic, in fact, that I think he'd like to do an encore. Now that lovely little tune does bring us to the